Hello, welcome to Art with Sunwin. Today we are doing one more sunset with a green land. Let's start. In center of the page, draw sleeping line with a semicircle, few birds, and this is the stick one which we see in our drawings. Start coloring. Medium yellow for sun. For sky, it should be dark. So we use primary red. Half of the page we fill. Remaining we use scarlet. Then you can use orange. Scarlet is too dark, so use orange also. Now for down part it's a green. We're using yellow green. Randomly we have to color. Now leaf green. It should be visible in a dark and light shades. Now start mixing. Be careful with the sun. After mixing, it looks like this. Now we do little grasses. So we use sap green. Just randomly you can draw anything. Sleeping and standing lines. This is the shadow. These are the grasses. In black color, you do little standing lines. Let it look like a long grasses. Subscribe and like for more videos. Thank you for watching. This is our sunset.